Hi, welcome to this video looking at Year 1 fractions from the White Rose Maths website. So in today's video, we'll be looking at what we mean by a fraction and understanding it. So on the left here, so before I start answering the question, these are all types of fractions. So this is how I write fractions. So fractions just mean part of a whole number. Okay, so it's part of a whole number. Okay, and a whole number is what I refer to as an integer. So a whole number is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc., etc. This is the first question. Match two halves that make a whole. Well, this and this match together to give me a whole. Okay, it gives me a square when I put it together. Okay, this and this match together to give me a pentagon or a five-sided shape. And this together, okay, to become a shape, okay? So, two halves, okay? So, this is like half of a shape, this is the other half. It makes a whole, okay? For this one, and this one make a whole. And this one and this one make a whole. We're on question 2 now. It says circle half of the bears. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So a half of 8. So I can write it like this. A half of 8. So a half of something means dividing it by 2. So splitting it into 2 equal parts. So 8 divided by 2. My answer is 4. Because the answer is 2, 4, 6, 8. So 4 goes into 8 twice. Okay, so I'm going to circle this half. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, half of it. Next question. Circle a quarter of the bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I want a quarter of 8. Okay, this is my fraction. A quarter, 1 out of 4 we say. Quarter of 8. So a quarter of 8 means splitting it into 4 equal parts. Okay. So you are essentially dividing it by the denominator of my fraction. So by the bottom part of my fraction. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So I'm going to circle, okay, a quarter. Okay, that's a quarter. That's another quarter. That's a third quarter. And that's a fourth quarter. 4 quarters make a whole. Okay. Next question. Circle half of the donuts. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. A half of 10 is 5. Okay. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay. A half of something means dividing it by 2. Okay. Split it into 2 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So circling that, oops, okay, let's just circle it again properly, okay, so go around it, there we go, okay, that's my answer for that question. Okay, next part, circle a quarter of the eggs, okay, so a quarter, okay, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 4 boxes, so one box will give me a quarter. Okay, I don't have to count the individual eggs. I know that there are 4 boxes, so a quarter of 4 boxes is one box. Okay, it doesn't matter how many there are in each here because I can clearly see visually that there are the same amount in each one. Okay, but let's just go ahead actually and count it. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I've got 10 here, 10 here, and 10 here. So I've got 40 eggs in total. A quarter of 40. Okay, 40 divided by 10 is 40 divided by 4 is 10. Okay. So it's one box. Okay, so to answer the questions now, there are 40 eggs altogether, a quarter of 40 is 10. Okay, a quarter of something means dividing it by 4. Okay, the mathematical way of writing this sentence, a quarter of 40, okay, so I'm dividing by the bottom part of my fraction. I divide by the bottom of my fraction and then I times my answer by the top of my fraction. 40 divided by 4 is 10. 10 times 1 is just 10. So my answer is just 10. Okay, so a quarter of something means divide it by 4. Next question, colour half of each of the shapes. Okay, so colour half of them. Okay, so I've got 4 parts here, so I'm going to colour in 2 parts. Okay, here I've got 4 squares, so half of 4 is 2. Okay, and again I'm going to colour in 2. Okay, so each of these shapes have 4 squares. Okay, and I'm going to colour in half of the number of total squares, and half of the squares is going to be 2. Okay, it doesn't actually matter which 2 boxes actually colour. Okay, what I've done is just colour like the white parts, but I can still colour in these ones either. Okay, so here 2 is half of 4. Okay, because a half of 4, remember, means dividing it by 2. So a half of something means divide it by 2. Okay, half of 4 is 2. Next question. Tick the shapes which are half shaded. That's a half shaded. That's a half shaded. That isn't, because this side is bigger than this side. Okay, imagine I've got a triangle there, and this is not even a triangle, this is actually a trapezium. So this shape is not even the same as this shape, so they're not even the same sizes. And here, they're not the same sizes. Okay, it has to be coloured in like the middle, okay? Because here, this part here is not the same size as this part here, okay? Right, guys, last question for today's video. Okay, here is a quarter of the apples from a fruit bowl. Okay, so a quarter of the apples equals 3. Okay, how many apples are there in the fruit altogether? Okay, so a quarter of an amount, yeah, gives me 3. Okay, so a quarter of an amount, okay, a quarter of A gives me 3. Okay, so to work backwards, to work out the total number of apples, if I do 3 times 4, that will tell me the total number of apples, okay, which is equal to 12. Okay, and I can check my answer now, because if it says a quarter of 12, okay, a quarter of 12 means divide it by 4. 12 divided by 4 does give me 3. So that does confirm my answer, okay, because a quarter of 12, okay, means 12 divided by 4, which is 3. Okay, and there are 3 apples here. So what I've done here is essentially work out the inverse. I've formed like an equation. I've got like a quarter A, okay, a quarter times A equals 3. And if I rearrange this equation, if I multiply both sides by 4, okay, that will isolate and get the capital A, which is the total number of apples that I've denoted it by. Capital A for total number of apples, okay, in the fruit bowl. That will tell me that A has to equal 3 times 4 or 4 times 3, which is 12, okay? So that's like an algebraic way of showing it, okay? But if that's confusing, okay, if a quarter is equal to 3, okay, and we want to work out a whole will be 4 quarters, okay? So to go from 1 quarter to 4 quarters, I've got to times that by 4 essentially. So 3 times 4 is 12, okay, and 4 quarters is a whole, okay? Altogether, it's asking for 4 quarters. So it's asking for 4 lots of this, essentially, is another way of seeing it, okay? Right, guys, that is the end of today's video. So thank you so much for making it this far and watching to the end. If you did find it useful, please hit that subscribe button, like this video, and click that bell icon. And please, please, please feel free to share this with your families, your neighbours, your relatives, or friends at school, or even other parents, okay, that may find this helpful for any sort of remote learning for primary level maths. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye for now.